Thank you for watching this Hexagon Geospatial e-training module. Add public maps to a website in GeoMedia Smart Client. Before getting started, please be aware that this workflow has the following prerequisites. A website must be defined, and public maps must be configured and ready to use. With these prerequisites in place, we can begin the workflow. In this example, public maps is configured with some overlays, tooltips, and standard basic maps, such as WMTS or Google Maps. The website in this example is defined with a header at the top and several links on the left. When you click on the last link on the left, you want public maps to appear in the center of the page. To add public maps to the website, you need to include the public maps JavaScript file and a CSS file. The CSS file is for the styling of public maps, and the JavaScript file is to get access to the content of the public maps. Open the HTML content and add the calls to a JavaScript file and to a CSS file. Now define a div to host the content. In the public maps content that has been prepared, you need to define an ID. Call the ID IG public maps. Remember this, as it will be used in the next section. Finally, initiate public maps in a custom script. It's best to execute a function to define the parameters as soon as the document is ready. On Document Ready, we can access public maps and configure it as follows. The ID of the div is defined. The base URL for public maps must be set. You need a site and the project within the site that you want to use. You can define additional parameters such as the language, activating the full text search, the navigation within the map, if you want to switch the map view, and the share button if you want to use the share widget. You can specify that the cursor focus should be on the full text search widget once the public maps is loaded. You can now see the results in a browser. When you reload the page, public maps is rendered with your content. You can search for addresses or events. Thank you for watching this e-training module from Hexagon Geospatial. For more e-training, please visit hexagongeospatial.com/e-training.